Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a review slash lid swatch of the brand new e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows. I have all of them right here to share with you guys. There are a total of 8 shades in the collection, and I've been trying all of them out over the past 2 weeks, and I thought I would show them all to you, give you lid swatches, and really show you guys all the shades so that you guys can know what the collection includes, how the shades look, everything like that. So not only will I be showing you swatches of all these shades on my hand, I'll also be doing lid swatches. I don't know how great those will be, just because some of these work better obviously with a completed eye look and stuff, but I really want to show you guys the colors. And I will also be doing a demo in this video so that you guys can see how I use these. They're super easy to use. I obviously use them to create this look right here. I have the silvery glittery shade on my eyelid, and I also use the black shade in this collection to do my wings today, just for like a glitter wing if you want that. So let's get into the swatches first, the lid swatches, so you guys can see all these shades first, and then we'll get to talking about formula and everything like that. Alright, so now that you guys just saw all these shades, I'm actually going to show you guys the demo so that you can see how they apply and how I use them and all of that. Alright guys, so now we've reached the demo part of this video. I'm going to take my Lorac Pro palette and start with the taupe shade. And I'm just going to buff this out into the crease. Kind of wing it out as well. Then I'm gonna mix Espresso and Sable right there. These two dark browns. And start plopping this on the outer corner. Taking more of Espresso now, the darker brown. And a little bit in the crease. Take like a flat brush with Espresso and black and concentrate this a bit more in the outer corner, kind of as if I was making a little wing. So I think today I want to use some of this one right here. This is Disco Queen. It has almost a blue tinge to it, so it's really, really pretty. Apply this all over like the inner part of my eye and kind of going to cut the crease and go right to the center. And you can layer this up a little bit if you want as well. Then I'm just going to take my ring finger and pat that middle portion out like so. So now I'm going to take the black shade in the shade, this is Black Magic. I'm just going to take a little detail brush and I'm gonna make like a wing with this glitter shade. So this is actually a pretty pigmented shade. So you can actually do this. And I'm just using this as if it were like a gel eyeliner. And I'm gonna take a bit of the shade Bling Bling, which is the silver. It's very similar to Disco Queen, but this one's definitely more silver, less like blue. And I'm just gonna put some of this over top just to make it super pigmented. That's kind of how I use these. As you can see, very, very quick and easy to use to create some sort of eye look with some glitter and some color, and it's really fun. Alright, so now that you guys saw the demo as well as all these shades, let's get talking about the formula of these. So, as I said, they have 8 shades, and I think the range of these shades is actually really nice. You get some nice silver tones, and this one, Disco Queen, has like those pinky and blue undertones in it. So if you put like a pink eyeshadow or a blue eyeshadow down, this will really change that. You also have just a straight up silver, which is awesome. Then we have also some rose golds. We have a bit of a lighter one in the shade Flirty Birdie, and Copper Pop, which is a little more copper. One of my favorite shades in the collection is definitely 24K Gold. Now, I've tried gold liquid shadows from the drugstore before, and I've never come across a shade like this. I think this is the most rich gold I've ever seen, not only in a liquid, but in a powder form too. Like, look how yellow it is. I feel like it's even more yellow in person than it is on camera, because in person it's a very, very yellow shade. If you want like a super intense golden eye look, this is definitely something you're gonna need. And then we do have some darker shades, which is nice too, and I was honestly pretty impressed with how the dark shades turned out. A lot of dark liquid eyeshadows just come out very watery, very patchy. Now, although I would recommend using a base under these, like either a powder eyeshadow underneath or a cream eyeshadow, they're still very pigmented and they still hold their own really well. So we have Dirty Martini, which is really nice, just like an emerald green. And then we have this one, which is gorgeous, Ocean Eyes. What a beautiful blue shade. And as you guys saw in the swatches, very pigmented shades. Like, obviously you can see a little bit of sheerness in there compared to like these lighter ones, so I would definitely use some type of eyeshadow underneath. But I mean, when you're doing an eye look, it's not like you're just gonna be using this spread all over your eye. Like, you guys saw the eye swatches, that's what I did, and obviously that's not a completed eye look, so you're definitely gonna be using like a palette or something with these. But adding this on top of a look will just give you that like extra metallic glow and will really just elevate the look so much more. And then even the black shade I was really impressed by. So this is a black with like gold and silver glitter throughout it, as you can see. bunch of like glitters in it, and it's very, very pigmented as well. The fact that I could use it as an eyeliner is awesome, and you can see how much glitter is in there, very concentrated. And obviously it's pigmented because that's the only thing I used as a liner today, and it looks great. So if you're wanting to try out a black glitter, this is definitely the one I'd go towards, especially because you can use this kind of to create a glittery smoky eye, or kind of use it as liner as I did. So again, very multifunctional. So I really like the formula of these. They're very vibrant, very pigmented, and are filled with glitter, so they're really gonna give you that metallic shine. And I love using glitter eyeshadows more than a powder just because they're so easy to use. First of all, you literally can just create such a precise look with the applicator. These all have like that dome foot applicator, and if you're turning it on its side and stuff, you can really get a precise look. Like I did this half cut crease today, and I didn't use any smaller brush or anything like that to carve out my crease. They dry down after a while. You do have time to definitely blend them in and stuff. I usually just use my finger to tap them out and blend them, so they're definitely very easy to blend. But once they're there, they do kind of just lock in place and stay wherever you put them, which I personally like because then they last literally the whole day. You won't really see much creasing from them or anything like that. They're very locked in type formula. I also love how much these just transform an eye look. You could have the most basic eye look, just like a matte eye look, and you throw one of these on, all of a sudden you have like this beautiful eye look going on. So that's what I love about them. And the formula is through and through really great. I know with some lines, you know, the darker shades or some of the shades in the line just don't perform as well. I would say it's very consistent throughout this line, and all of them are going to perform perfectly. So yeah, that's really my thoughts on this liquid eyeshadow, guys. I think it's amazing. I hope this video was helpful if you are interested in these new e.l.f. glitter eyeshadows. I think they're great, and I've definitely been loving them. I'm obsessed with glitter eyeshadows in general, so when I saw that another drugstore brand came out with some, I thought these are perfect. Now, these I would say are very comparable to like Stila as well. The packaging is very similar too. So I would highly recommend trying these out if you are into glitter and very sparkly makeup. I'd highly recommend. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on these eyeshadows if you've tried them out. And if you haven't, let me know maybe what shades you're thinking of getting or everything like that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.